So everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a beautiful Warli art. So let's start. Before starting the video, don't forget to smack that like button and also subscribe to my channel right now. Okay, so this is the Warli art that we are going to make today, and the main Warli art that you can see here, I'm going to make it with the pencil, but right now I'm going to make the this background right now. So let's start. Now I'm gonna make the outlines of the figures that have been made there. And to make this, the best tool that you'll need is a black pen. As you can see, I have a black pen here. So let's make it. Firstly, we need to make the grass like this. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with the this coconut tree, and we just need to make these small coconuts, as you can see here. And especially, I love coconuts, so I really enjoyed making this. Oh yeah, so now I'm done with the drawing, and as you can see, it looks awesome. As you can also see that I haven't drawn at the second year because it will get quite congested in this area because I have drawn them a little bit small, but still I don't think it will be good to draw the second year too, but it's okay. It's your choice. You want to draw two deers, you can draw two, but yeah, it looks amazing with only one deer also, so nothing's bad with that. And there will be more arts like this, like mandala art also, so stay tuned with me, and also like, share and subscribe to my channel right now, so you'll always get the information and notification about my next coming videos. So thanks for watching and goodbye.